Hello again and welcome to Bill's Workbench. I've got the Corona on the bench today. This is the after of the video. You can see I got it up and running and working. If you want to see how that build montage goes, keep on watching. At the end of the montage, I'm going to show you the proper order of operations to get this thing assembled. So in case you're building something like this, you'll know. I'm ready to go. So let's build montage this thing. Nice. All right. Yes, I'm liking it. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Nice. All right, let's get this screwed into here. Oh, gotta put off these. Nice ride. Oh yeah, perfect. Better drop this one. Woo-hoo-hoo. All right, now let's put it on the bench power supply. Let's see what happens. And open. All right, it's going in the wrong direction, but that's okay. That's easy to fix. Holy moly! All right, now I got to fix the problem where it goes backwards. And that's easy. I'll show you. Get your soldering iron out. You get it turned on. You're the best soldering iron ever. You're the greatest. Look, turned on. Voila. Now it should go forwards. Let's try it. All right, forwards is that way. Turn on the power. Hit the output button. Look at that. Oh my goodness. All right. Well, let me tell you the order of operations, because I didn't know it, the order of ops, until I put it all together. So let me tell you the order of operations. First thing you do is you put in the bearings, and then you put the axle in, put in the O-ring, which you really don't need to do the O-ring, but do the O-ring, trust me, and then press this guy in. And I ended up using a hammer and a socket to get it started, and then I did my pinion puller by these guys to get it working. This is a great pinion puller, by the way. If you haven't seen the video on the pinion puller video, look at it in my back catalog. You'll find it. So once that's on, then you press this guy onto the motor. I just used an arbor press to do that. Then you can put the wheels on, and then you can put the motor in, get it around the pulley, and then straighten it out. And then you can screw it into the car. That's the order of operations. If you wanted to know, I don't think anybody in the world is going to be building one of these, but you never can know. What's in the next video? The next video, I am going to use this receiver to put in here somewhere. I'll probably just stick it there. And we'll use this electronic speed control. We'll probably just stick it there, which will be fine. This receiver has light sources on it, so I can get the lights to work the way I want them to work. So I'll get those lights in there, and then we'll figure out how to put some headlights in the front of this as well. We'll get these rusty things out of here and put some headlights in. So we'll make some LED lights to make that work, get it all together, put the body back on, and then we'll race it around and see how it works. So thanks for watching. Next video is this thing actually driving around with lights, and then we'll be done. We can get started on the next one. If you made it this far, you're awesome, because you get to know about the next build. The next build is going to be this guy. This is one of the first Tonkas I purchased when I started the channel up. And yeah, it's rough. We're going to get these windshields cleaned up again. We're going to make this RC, and we're going to use an Orlando Hunter bouncer as the chassis for this thing. And we're going to have to shorten it up a little bit to get it to fit, but I think it's going to fit in there, and I think it's going to work. So thanks for watching. Hope to see you on the next ones, and stay classy, YouTube.